can't you do the elevator to the parking garage?
Oh my god. Look. What? I don't want to even touch these. Dude, what?
I can't get my mind around this.
This is so
this is literally
bizarre.
just like this is an actual parking garage, and there's just a gated elevator in here.
Here we go. I've never seen anything like this before.
You gonna get in? We're gonna do one more ride.
What?
We're gonna do one more ride. You wanna get in?
Sure.
You can fit.
You sure?
Yeah.
It said 2 people.
It's up to you.
What's the capacity?
1100.
Oh, we're good.
You can send it up.
This is a Spencer.
Send it on 2. Try 3.
Hold on. Oh my god, this is so cool. There's a little camera in here.
I'll get a better cab view once we're all out.
Me too. Look at that.
I can't believe it's still original too.
Yeah, me neither. Jeez, look at all this shit on the...
Yeah.
Like, painted over it awfully.
What is that? An alarm bell? Don't try it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Alright.
Open.
Look at the stop switch.
What is that? SF Elevator Co.
Oh, it's San Francisco.
That might just be the stop switch though.
You can't really see it on my camera, but yeah,
Okay.
it says SF Elevator Co. right there.
Yeah, it's a Spencer. Look.
Oh yeah.
Well, excuse me. Oh yeah, hold on. You get your cab here.
I can hold it.
Thank you.
This thing is crazy.
And again, we're literally in a parking structure.
Ready?
That'll be it.